Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. So as I show you around, you'll be able to see that we've fitted this vehicle with a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, alongside including these 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it's a 2017 plate. Does also include the facelift, so you'll see the facelifted headlights. The vehicle itself is presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside there you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching side bars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. And again, giving you a nice side profile view to take in that the vehicle is in fantastic condition throughout. Moving on to show you the interior, where as you can see there, it's the black Dakota leather with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, alongside the aluminum hexagon with Estoril blue accent trim. It also has that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and as you can see there, all of the interior is in very nice condition. Moving to show you the rear seats, where again you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining once again. Moving and making our way towards the rear of the car, not before showing you once again the brand new alloy wheels. So at the rear, again, as part of the facelift, BMW introduced these very nice, very sharp looking LED rear lights, alongside with the additions we've made in the form of the gloss rear diffuser and matching rear spoiler. On the Gran Coupes, you do of course get the fantastic automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals a very large boot space, and of course you can remove both the top and lower partial shelves, alongside split folding seats to enhance that even further. On the other side of the car, I can show you that this vehicle once more is even in a very nice condition once again, and of course works very nicely in that exterior colour with all of the additions made here at Your Next Car. So one last look at the wheels before I head on inside the car to of course just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting first of which with the professional wide navigation and media screen, which on this car does also come equipped with the fantastic Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered by Google, alongside utilising the car's own onboard 4G network. We've also got the very nice, very cool and very user-friendly map system on this car, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible, Bluetooth, telephone and of course audio, alongside a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB, music collection, CD, DVD and of course USB. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls, alongside our switches for our heated seats. And if I go back to the very main menu, I can go ahead and show you the service requirements and service history for the car. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green. And if I bring you just back over here for 1 second, you'll see that this vehicle's only covered just over 33,000 miles. Does also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the M Sport steering wheel. And back over to the service history, it does also have full BMW service history, which once again is a fantastic peace of mind as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. For further information, if you look down below in the description, you will of course find a link to our website along with direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much, and we hope to see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.